Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Jen. Today I want to go over this new app that I recently came across not too long ago, and I wish they had this years ago. Okay, it is a fundamental app. It is called the Market Edge AI. It literally tells you everything that has to do with the news and the markets. Now, coming into this app, they do let you pick five different pairs that you're mainly focused on, which is more pairs, more opportunities, but that also exposes you to a lot more risk. So you do want to keep it minimal and get to know the pairs that you're actually trading. Now, this right here, Market Edge AI, this is the interface of it, the dashboard, or whatnot. And as we can see here, we can see gold. Okay, it says gold holds 4,600 on CPI beat. Fed independence rally extends after Powell's defense. Okay, what you guys see right over here is a chart of gold. As you can see, that prices did drive up all the way here around 46.30. But we also have a pullback area, and I loved how they pinpoint a pullback area right over here. But what makes it even more exciting is the little brains right over here. As you can see, I just clicked on the brain. It tells you exactly what can push gold all the way back up to 46.30 right over here. It gives you the whole details. And likewise on the bottom, um what can push gold back to this pullback area? Again, it gives you the whole details right here. What I really love about this app is fundamentals right over here. Being able to backtest exactly what happened in each and one of these candlesticks. As you can see, guys, I'm hovering over all these candles. Okay, it is telling you the time, but it also has a little brain on it, meaning that, hey, you can go back to one of these and let's just say, okay, let's look at this really long bullish candle right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. So it's going to zoom in and tell you exactly what happened and what pushed price to be bullish. They did just implement an economic calendar, which is somewhat similar to Forex Factory, which is something that everybody has been using prior to this. Um, but it's literally fundamentals on a whole new level. It breaks every single thing down for you down to the T right over here, guys. It also tells you the timing, by the way. It has the timings, when it's going to happen. Very much similar to the Forex Factor, we have the actual and the forecast or whatnot. But the main difference is that if we click on one of these things, as you can see, okay, it literally tells you what the play is at this moment. Here's the playbook. They have a playbook right over here. Okay, just closing this off really quick. We have a forecast right here, the bank forecast and so forth. So when I do click on this, and as you can see, there's an actual number right over here. Okay, actually, let's go back. If we look at the forecast, 324.12, let's see how it's going to affect the market, right? 324, oh God, what did I say? 12, sorry guys. Okay. If it goes above that number, it's obviously going to be bullish. If anything below it, it's definitely going to be bearish. You don't have to do any more digging. You don't have to do any more research. Time is so valuable that every second, every minute counts as those candles ticks up and down, guys. Okay, huge game changer right here. I do have a daily bias that happens on a daily basis, as you can see right here. It already generates one for me. It gives me a whole outlook of what my portfolio analysis is. You guys could dabble into other things right here, guys. We have the currencies, the Trump trackers, the central bank, a little bit more in depth with fundamentals. We have the equity section right over here, guys, which is a lot more towards not Forex, not crypto, not indices or whatnot, but more into actual stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Google, like those type of things. We have the economy right over here, how the economy is going to play out. The latest interest rates, CPI, unemployment rates, GDPs, retail sales. It gives you a whole breakdown on how everything's moving per fundamental news. We have a COT report right here. It's pretty cool. I'm still trying to get to learn a little bit more in depth with this, but Market Edge AI literally has everything you need when it comes to fundamentals. Two main things I really look at is definitely the dashboard. Right over here, I do look at, what can push price up there versus pullback areas. My economic calendar, so that means I don't have to dabble into another report anymore or another website. It's all in one, which gives me the playbooks. And then, of course, the backtest fundamentals, because there's no website that I have ever came across that can break down exactly what each and one of these candles do. So, if you guys are trying to get a little bit more familiarized and put an edge to your fundamental analysis to correlate with your trading, this is the site that you guys want to get into. I did drop the link down below in my description if you guys do want to check it out. And again, if you guys like this video, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe, guys. I'll be dropping more gems on other things. That's all trading affiliated. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you guys on the next video.